Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I'll do a quick resistance band follow along for your shoulders with you. So, first of all, with your band, all you're going to do is get a bit of slack out of it and stretch it a little bit, and we're just going to rotate the upper body away from ourselves to one side. And then we go the other side, rotate, and then back to that first side. So we're just twisting, getting the upper back loosened off here. And then after that, we're going to stretch out the sides. So we've done our twist side to side. Get your band up above your head. From there, we're going to lean to one side as much as we can. Big breath out. And then we go back up again. Over the other side. Big breath out. Sink lower. And then back to that first side again. Big breath out. Sink lower. And then back, other side, sink lower. From here, we're going into a banded shoulder dislocates. So we bring the band down around ourselves. From here, turn the hands so the palms are facing forwards. Squeeze shoulder blades back at the back. From there, we then go up, reach up to the ceiling as much as you can. Get shoulder blades to move. Let them come back down. And then we wrap the band around ourselves. And then index fingers beside each other, and we squeeze at the pecs. And then we bring ourselves back up and around, nice and slow, back down, turn the palms so they're facing forwards, squeeze backwards. Just a few more of these. Nice and relaxed, nice and chilled. Squeeze pecs together, back up and around. And then turn the palms facing forwards, squeeze the band back behind again. Lovely movement. Shoulders love this stuff. Squeeze, and then back up and around. Rotate, pull back. Awesome. From there, we're going to go palms up, so hold your band like this. We're putting one hand in front and the other hand is going to pull back out to the side, okay? So we're squeezing, pulling back, shoulder blade pinned back as much as you can, and then bring it forwards. Pull back, squeeze the shoulder blade as much as you can, and go forwards. And just 3 more of those. Pull back. That's it. And then one more. So squeeze, shoulder blade at the back, and let it go. So that's kind of like your rest position. So other hand is in front, and then other side we're doing. Pull back, we squeeze the shoulder blade. So it's as if this is where the rep starts from. And then we're back through, pull back through, pull back through. 2 more. And then final one, squeeze that shoulder blade at the back. Boom. After we've done both sides, we're going to do both sides together at the same time. So band in front completely, both arms are going at the same time together now. So back 1, and then 2. So squeeze the shoulder blades at the back, bring it through. 3, 4, 5. And then shake those shoulders off. And then we'll go back in to our shoulder dislocates again. So reaching out, and we're going up, and then we're bringing the band down, getting that nice stretch, band around, squeeze the pecs, and then in reverse again, we go up, and on the way back down, we turn the palms so facing forwards, and we squeeze shoulder blades at the back. And then again, we go up, and back down, squeeze, and then up again. Turn palms facing out. Squeeze. Back up. Wrap the band around. Squeeze. And then back up. Final one with a final squeeze. Turn palms out and squeeze back. Awesome. So shake the shoulders out again. From here, we're going to go into a little bit of randomness now. So you're going to stretch your band apart, and now we're going to let the arms kind of go where they want. So we're going up and around on one side, and then up and around on the other side. Okay, so almost as if you're doing them like a diagonal, but one arm goes at a time. So one arm goes, and then other arm goes while the other arm's down. And then in reverse, one goes up, down, other goes up, and back down. And then up, down. So as long as the band ends up in front of you, and then it ends up behind you, and essentially not around your neck, that's the best thing that we're looking for. So we're getting a bit more random movement in with the band. So band behind, band in front, one arm going at a time. Band in front, band behind. Awesome. And then same idea, but with those pull aparts. So we're going to pull with the arms in like a cross position, pull like that, and then change arms the other way, and then change arms like this. So you're pulling at different angles, trying to get the shoulders working in different positions that you're not used to working. So we can also pull in from the top down, so the band above the head, and pull down. Or we can even turn the whole upper body and twist and turn as well with those crissy-crossies. So it's just good to use the band to hit some weird, random positions as well as having your stuff that's really regimented and really quite strict. You remember your shoulders are your most mobile joints in the body, so make sure that you give them some randomness as well, because shoulders love that.